tháp đó này. Tao đi chơi luôn.
Mẹ mẹ bro.
Chơi luôn cùng bạn đi. Tôi khoe buồn đấy. Dusky.
Dusky. Well, my guy. Welcome to my channel, guy.
Good morning, guys. Happy Easter. Welcome back to my video views. Today we are at Dusky. We're promoting Red Bull, and Kasu is in the background. He's coming down. He's coming down all the way from Perth to Dusky. We got Samia too. Get up. Oh, he put a big sample the other day.
Everyone knows Gato.
Yeah, everyone knows Ghetto, His nickname is Playboy, I heard. I just bought a sausage tower the other day, brand new. Just came here to Dusky to try out this brand new reel. Hopefully, we catch some big fish and not salmon. Towers, pretty light. 390 for the rest. Sorry, it's pretty cheap. If you wanna go get it, it's from Anaconda. Go buy one, and you catch a big fish with that. Easy drag. No need to struggle like I said the other day. Just pull it seven, action. We got a channel here too. So enjoy Dusky.
Nick Minute.
It'll tell my God, what are you? Oh, silver macaque, oh shit.